We'll guide you through how to use Printify printing services to streamline your print-on-demand business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and sign into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your dashboard. To start, click on Catalog at the top of the page. Here you'll find a variety of products you can customize like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Browse through the categories and select the product you want to design. After choosing a product, you'll see options for different print providers. It's important to choose a provider that matches your location and quality requirements, as this can affect shipping times and costs. Next, click Start Designing. You'll now be in the design editor where you can upload your artwork or create a design using the tools provided. Make sure your design fits within the guidelines and looks exactly how you want it on the product. You can preview your design in 3D to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, click Save Product. Now you'll need to set a price. Consider your costs and desired profit margin. Printify will show you the base cost, so you just add your markup. After setting the price, click Publish. This will prompt you to connect your online store. Printify integrates with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. Select your platform and follow the prompts to link your store. Once connected, your product will appear in your store, ready for customers to purchase. Remember to check your store settings for shipping and payment options to ensure a smooth transaction process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.